will clash with Zimbabwe in the third T20I of the 5-match series on the 10th of July, Wednesday in Harare. While Zimbabwe stunned India in the first T20I, भारत ने दूसरे मैच में 234 रन्स मारकर जिम्बाब्वे को 100 रन से हराया. India have won 4 of their last 5 T20I matches. जिम्बाब्वे अपने पिछले 5 मैचेस में से 3 हारा है. The Harare Sports Club has hosted 43 T20I matches, out of which the team batting first has won 25. However, जिस कैप्टन ने टॉस जीता है, उन्होंने फिर भी चेजिंग प्रेफर की है in 24 matches. The probability of winning the match after winning the toss is 53.5%. The average first inning score is 156 for 7, while the average score batting second is 138 for 6. The highest team score at the venue is India's 234 for 2 against Zimbabwe in the second T20I match of the current series, whereas the lowest total is Zimbabwe's 90 against Afghanistan in 2022. The wicket has traditionally suited the pace bowlers in Harare, who have accounted for nearly 62% of the wickets at the venue at an average of 24.6, strike rate of 19.1 and economy of 7.8. However, यहाँ पे स्पिनर्स को भी परचेज मिली है और उनका एवरेज हरारे में 24.9 का है with an economy rate of 7. Spinners have outperformed the fast bowlers in this series so far. They have an average of 16.4, strike rate of 14.8 and economy of 6.7. जबकि the corresponding numbers for fast bowlers are 23.9, 17.8 and 8.1. A bright and sunny day with maximum temperature of 26 degrees Celsius is expected in Harare on Wednesday. India may add an extra bowler to the lineup. Khalil Ahmed might play instead of Sudarshan. Zimbabwe शायद अपने playing 11 में कोई परिवर्तन ना करें. Zimbabwe and India have played each other in 10 T20Is, with India winning 7 matches. Ravi Bishnoi has been the standout bowler of the series so far with 6 wickets in 2 matches. Bishnoi will again be key in the middle overs in the third T20I. Abhishek Sharma created history, smashing the joint third fastest T20I ton for India of just 46 deliveries in the second T20I in Harare. Abhishek फिर से ताबड़तोड़ बैटिंग करेंगे in the power play. सिकंदर रजा पहले दोनों T20Is में फ्लॉप हुए हैं with the bat and will be looking to make amends in the rest of the series. Raza is the best batter in the Zimbabwe playing 11 with 14 T20I 50s. Tendai Chatara picked 3 wickets in the first T20I versus India and will be key with the new ball for Zimbabwe. Chatara has bagged 65 T20I wickets in 58 matches. Rinku Singh will be the hot pick for India. Rinku ने दूसरे T20I में 48 runs मारे in just 22 deliveries, जिसमें 5 छक्के शामिल थे. Khalil Ahmed is the avoid pick for India. The left armour has just bagged 13 wickets in 15 T20I matches at an average of 37.46. Luke Jongwe is a wicket taker in the T20 format and the hot pick for Zimbabwe. Doyen Myers के T20I numbers कुछ ज़्यादा impressive नहीं हैं and he will be the avoid pick for Zimbabwe. India will start favourites in the third T20I against Zimbabwe in Harare on Wednesday. India showcased its batting might in the second T20I and the Zimbabwe bowlers had no answer to the carnage. Watch out for Ryan Parag in this match. Zimbabwe को न्यू बॉल से विकेट लेना जरूरी होगा. सिकंदर रजा को एक बड़ा स्कोर लगाना होगा। Based on the strength of both teams, India have a 78% chance of winning the match. Ravi Bishnoi will be a good choice for captain, while Abhishek Sharma will be a fine option for vice captain. And finally, ये है हमारी Fantasy 11 for the India versus Zimbabwe. We have 8 players from India and 3 from Zimbabwe. Our batters include Gill, Gaikwad and Rinku Singh, while our bowlers are Avesh, Jongwe, Bishnoi and Chatara. All-rounders may we have Raza and Abhishek Sharma. Our backup players include Wesley Medevere as batter, Mukesh Kumar as bowler and Washington Sundar as all-rounder.